Hey, it's Benny the Bendy, and today we're doing more car racing. Let's get right to it. It's part 2. Let's get right to it. And I have another cool video I will be doing as well. BB-8. BB-8. I will be doing a BB-8. BB-8. I have a BB-8 guy on my iPad. Please stay tuned in for that. But this is going to be part 2 of car racing. Last time, this is just going to be into car racing. We better get into it, because we don't have so much time. We need to get down to the championship. And I'd like you guys to be here for all of it, so you have proof I didn't just skip ahead to, yeah, I wouldn't do that. But I want you guys to be here for all of it. That's the point. Oh shoot, I messed up this car. I think that's better. This car may even win now. 3, 2, 1. Okay. I feel like should we do that? Because I put my grip on the car. I'm gonna redo that. 3, 2, 1. But still, this car still wins by the tiniest bit, as you can see. The tiniest bit. I'm gonna wait. Let's see how we could do this. So this car's out. Ew, I need to go ask some more teammates. Please chat me and do check out my new teammate channel that I will be creating this weekend. So, the day before the Super Bowl, the first video will be on the day of the Super Bowl. It'll be really cool. New channel starting for the off season. Though I know I'm not going to be doing YouTube that much after this. I'm going to be taking a long break. And let's do 2 twin car races at the same time. These 2 cars are pretty much alike. I don't know what kinds most of these cars are actually, so they're the easiest cars already. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Go anymore. I don't want to keep doing these races because then we'll be here all day. So this one wins fair and square. Yeah. Now the dirty pickup truck I want to do against some car, but as of right now I don't see it. I guess it's towards the bottom. So. That's another dirty car. Should I just find it? No. So dirty. Pickup truck be pickup truck as well. Pickup truck be pickup truck. Hey! Let's make sure these cars are separated as well. 3, 2, 1. What was that? We're gonna have to do the old-fashioned way. Let's see which one went farther. Tire this one. It looks like this one went farther, shockingly. This one went farther. This one's still in. This one's out. A special truck that I got from my cousins. And now we're gonna have a moment of silence because the cat Jojo was put to sleep. He was always my cat. That cat was the reason why we have Coco. Give a moment of silence, and it's been hard for me, and another thing as well, and a few more things. I just don't want to talk about anything else, but it's been hard for me because of JoJo. Please, Coco's fine. JoJo, my cousin's cat, the names sound alike. JoJo, please comment anything for JoJo. So I'll be mean really much, and yeah, I was gonna do a video with him, but actually I have not seen him since I created this channel. It's been a long time, so take a moment of silence for him. Pause this video. Take 3 deep breaths. Okay, thanks for taking a moment of silence. Let's get back to the video. Okay. Let's get some good ones here. I'm gonna do an ice cream truck. Yeah, I'm doing taco. And then look, and I see taco in there. So honestly, I'm gonna switch it. Taco truck. This is one of my favorites. This is the reason why I actually like tacos in the first place. This car, it's always been one of my favorites. So I'm actually kind of rooting for the taco truck in this one. But I have to do it fast. And as of right now, it looks like the other car would add one because the tire is loose on the taco truck. On both ends, on all the tires actually, funny enough. Except the front white. Be more careful on this taco truck. It's good. Yeah! And the car one. I was not surprised because the trucks go pretty slow. The taco truck right here. Who wants some tacos? Who wants some tacos? Hey, here. Okay, we're back after the break. Please check out Teammate channel as you saw in the commercials. Back with some more horrible. Okay, here's a really great matchup, a really thankful matchup. So first, I'm going to start with the Hummer. This is the first ever car I got from Tooth Belly, which is really cool, and that's why I like it so much. But the golf cart, so my neighborhood is filled with golf carts, and one day my mom went to a place where they sell these, and someone said there was one golf cart left. So she ran there. We have one, it's with a top, and yeah, but then they took it down, so this one fell off, so yeah. I have no clue where the top is right now. So, yeah. So. I hate that word, actually. I really hate that word, so, because I know someone, I don't want to get into it. When should wake up that word? My friend says so. It's annoying. Oh my god. And the golf cart won after all that. Cars, like, touched each other, almost. Actually, they didn't touch each other. Yeah, I think you're gonna have to not see them all the whole time. Because I have a lot of winners, I have a lot of not winners. Not winners, I don't worry about, but the winners I do. 'Cause, yeah. Let's do a classical one. We've been doing a lot of historical rounds lately. We're already 10 minutes in. I think I'm going to end this video soon. And yeah, it'll be part 2. I think soon enough I'm going to find a few more cars for part 3. And then we're going to go into round 2 because I don't want to do all my cars because I have so many cars. Okay. Let's do a pack Porsche versus I don't know what. 3, 2, 1. The Porsche won. Porsche right here. And this car's out. Let's do 3 more ground cars. And in the next episode, we'll do the finals. This one black car that makes me happy always. And here it is. I'm going to do a few special cars I want to do in here. And then after that, we can move on. But here's 2 special cars. First off, this car, this is like the second car I ever gotten. First car was this one, but that was the second one I ever gotten. So, and then this is one of my newer ones. When I got into Porsches, I don't know, I've been in Porsches for a while. They actually started selling Porsches. Because Porsches is my favorite type of car. I really like Porsches. Go! It looks like that one would have won anyway, because this one just stopped. But if this one went like farther, I would have redone that. Because yeah. I always pretend, yeah, but I don't want to end details. Oh yeah, this car, I think I may do. Actually, no, I do Mercedes, and then I'll do, when I get all my finals up, Mercedes, this car, the Audi. Okay. And then yeah, that will be it. Yeah, there's no other cars I'm really that into anyway. I'm gonna do Mercedes. Actually, wait. These 2 I got together. I want to do these 2 together. Actually, these 2 actually fit together because the same type of car, same size of car. I mean. Good, go! This one wins. Audi's out. The special Audi. I like doing that. No, I like doing that. It's really funny. Don't get me wrong. You out there. And tell me what type of videos you want. A lot of you guys are commenting, bring Foxy #1 back. I'll try. I've been trying to get to him, but it's been hard, so. That's how I'm going to do a race again, because this one could have gone farther. The other ones that we passed the place with the one bump, and I'll move on. Otherwise. Huh. Not sure who got this one. Yep. This one moves on. In the last race of this video today, 2 of my most original cards, Mercedes versus I don't know what. still to this day. This is always a car I really liked. These two cars are pretty fast too. I think these two could very well be one of the two winners. I think that could have slowed them down, but the red one won anyway, so this one, I'm surprised they actually won. I remember this one being like the fastest one, but sometimes you'd be wrong. You can be wrong. They're not always right. So, yeah, this one will be over here. So guys, continue. Watch the next video. It's really fun. It will be shorter, I promise. I'm out. Bye. Any questions, put in the comments.